Hi, welcome back. I am Tony Trieu. I am the CEO and founder of the Venetian Nail Spa. Today I'm visiting one of our ongoing construction salon in Florida of the Venetian Nail and Spa. In this particular salon, I am doing an inspection on our finishing up on the color theme and the painting of the salon. My superintendent is going to walk through with me to show what it needs to be done and finishing up so we can start bringing in all the cabinetry and furniture into the salon. I have a very special news and an announcement to make, so please stay tuned to the end of the video. This that you don't want to miss. So come follow me into this salon. So we're finishing up. There's quite a few mistakes that I made throughout this construction for this particular salon. So I want to show you what those details are. So next time that I would not make the same mistake, or whoever building a salon would not make the same mistake again. If you see a ladder, don't to any corridor or walkway, don't walk underneath the ladder. Is bring you bad luck. Okay? So try to walk around it. So you can see we start finishing up the floor tile here. There's quite a few details that I need to address. They are vacuuming the dust right now. But if you can see, when we started out this salon, I have the option of finishing up the top of the low wall here with the same tile. Finishing up on top, it'll be flat and it'll be completely like flush and finished. But what happened is that I decided to go with the countertop, the marble top, same as the table to match the nail station. So when he came and installed the marble top, you can see right here, it has to be cut up and broken up because the tile went up so high because we're doing a really thick mud set. So that way it cannot be flush with the low wall. So because it's so high and higher, we cannot set this countertop evenly. So that's why he has to cut all the seam line of the marble top to connect the countertop like this. If you can see, it's all broken in pieces to kind of tie it in. So now we have to seal, sand it down, and smooth it out to make sure that there's no seam line. And after this, the column is going to be set in. We have, they did the cloud spray, the look of the cloud. So what happened is, it looks so clustered. Like it looks so busy that it looks like a storm is coming. So what I made them did is they have to repaint the whole blue sky and then kind of respray. So it is still in the 50% finishing phase right now. I have to come back down here and do another inspection of the cloud. So when all the lights turn on, it should look very natural.
Exactly. It was very crowded before.
Yeah, yes. It was too many cluster of clouds.
Correct. Your nephew tells me it's not supposed to be a cloudy day.
Yeah. So. And you can have spray somewhere the blue, but sometimes make it a little bit bigger.
Okay.
But then not too many spots.
No,
I don't want to like a cow patch.
You don't want crowded. You don't want to.
I'll look like a cow.
Like a cow.
Okay. And then the way you spray is that I know that's okay. Yeah, those not that bad. But I don't want, you see how he spray right here, something like this.
Yes.
You can spray like more further, stay further out instead of like you see a spot. It looks unnatural.
Okay. Yes.
So you can see the symmetry of both sides are different. The superintendent, they painted the verde color, which I instructed them how to do it at the beginning. But when they started painting and finishing up, they stopped right here. So now we're going to decide, okay, would we stop just one side, or we just all the way coming back down? So that way it can show a finishing half of a symmetry. So I decided to go ahead and just finishing up this wall with the verde violet. Leave this wall alone because this is where the kind of structural part of the building. We don't want to, this is going to be all verde violet, the purple color, but that might be give too much of a busy of a paint color. And then in here, if you look at right here,
yes.
tell them to, since they're going to do Well, they're gonna do Beverly Brown down here, correct?
Yes, exactly, exactly.
You know?
Same thing as the low walls are the line of the chair rail outside over by the pedicure.
Right.
Chair rail here, coincidental with the cabinet, all the way here. So what do you want below the chair rail? You want
Beverly Brown.
And above? This.
Above this color, yep.
This color,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Just like the chair rail, black
the
bean.
chair rail is black bean.
Beverly Brown.
Oh, got it, got it.
And also these two, for me,
Yes.
just above this, only above, okay?
How do you
It's
want-
the Beverly Brown.
You got it, same on the back.
Yep, yep.
Yes, indeed. On
So
the
that it would bring out the color
Absolutely.
contrast.
And look at the grill. We painted it.
Oh, I like that.
They were white. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
So that they look elegant.
Thank you everyone for making it to the end of the video. So now I have a very special announcement to make about the upcoming what we have in the pipeline for Venetian Nail Spa. As you already know, Venetian Nail Spa has been around for more than 20 years. The way it looks, with the sky, the arches, the dome, it's been around, we've been traditional in our company for quite some time. Our special announcement is that we are excited that we are coming up with a new design, new theme, modern urban look for Venetian Nail Spa, which is now called The Venetian. The Venetian has an elevated, modern atmosphere for our customer. We are excited to announce there are 5 The Venetian coming up soon. 3 of them will be in the state of Texas and the other 2 will be in the state of Florida. We are very excited for this new project of the Venetian. Stay tuned for our new update and construction under progress. Thank you.